Hi, I'm Roshit Valimanil. Today I'm unboxing the new Woodpecker Ai-Ray portable handheld X-ray machine, which is transforming the way we took intraoral X-rays. Inside the box, you get the device itself. This is the AI portable uh, X-ray machine. You get the remote control if you wanted to do it from a longer distance. It's the same one with the cable, the power cable. You got a strap to hold it, and then the user manual and the certifications. You turn it on like that, and you put in your password, and you get a screen like this. And then you start with, because you can use either sensor, a normal film, or even a phosphor sensor. So you normally use the usual one, which is a digital one now. Then the second one is whether it's an adult or a child, and if you can see yourself the setting already uh, preset. Okay, and you can also choose whether it's a bite wing or canine, or an incisor or a molar. Okay, and then you can, if in case if you wanted to increase or decrease the exposure time, you can do it as well in manually. So why would I recommend Woodpecker Ai-Ray portable device to you? Because of its portability, cordless, lightweight, for chairside use. There's no more stiff, bulky wall-mounted devices for you to handle. It's a smart exposure control and preset for all the teeth, which has already been preset there. It's safe because of its internal shielding and narrow angle ones, and very less scattered radiation. Sleek and ergonomic, and it's very safer, efficient, and it's very quick. And finally, you should visit vsden.com to order it, and you will get it next day. See you soon.